Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to remove Microsoft Edge from Windows 10. First, you need to make sure that the Microsoft Edge is not running in the background. Now open the File Explorer on your computer. Next, select this PC. Then open the local disk C. Open the program files x86. Then open the Microsoft folder. In here, open the Edge folder. Then select Application. Once you're in the Application folder, you should see a folder with a numbers file name on it. Open that folder. Then go to the Installer folder. Once you're in the Installer folder, select the address bar in the File Explorer. With the text highlighted, delete the text, and then type CMD. Hit Enter on your keyboard. CMD should now open. Now enter this command that will show up on your screen. After that, click the Enter on your keyboard. Next, click Yes in the pop-up to allow to make changes in your computer. By doing that, the Microsoft Edge should now be removed on your computer.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.